Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mahant Innovations. So today in this video we are going to learn how to use a multimeter. First of all, to check the DC voltage, we should set a multimeter on DC voltage section. Here it is a 9 volts battery. Now take your both probes and connect the negative probe on the negative side and positive probe on the positive side of the battery. So here you can see the voltage is 6.89 volts. So the battery is discharged. Here it is a ohm section. This is used to find out the value of a resistor. Here I have one resistor. Now connect your both probes on the both terminals of this resistor. So here you can see the value of this resistor is 9.83 ohms. Here it is a buzzer mode. This is used to test diodes, LED and other electrical components. So here now I am checking a diode. Here this diode is damaged. It is not showing continuity in any 2 points. So here this is AC voltage section. This is used to measure the AC voltage. Now set your multimeter on AC voltage section. So here it is a 240 volts AC power supply. So here you can see the voltage is 236 volts AC. So in this way you can use a multimeter. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.